Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a tire on an Audi Q5. First, prioritize safety by parking your vehicle on a level, firm surface, well away from any traffic. Always engage the parking brake fully. Then, place wheel chocks behind the wheel diagonally opposite the flat one. Finally, gather your spare tire, jack, and lug wrench from the trunk. Now, before lifting the car, use your lug wrench to slightly loosen the lug nuts on the flat tire. Just a quarter turn or so will do. Next, carefully position the jack under the designated jack point on your Audi Q5's frame. Slowly raise the vehicle until the flat tire is completely clear of the ground, ensuring stability.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tips. On another note, make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They keep your food fresh and organized. Check the description below for the link to these containers and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video.
With the car lifted, you can now fully remove all the lug nuts. Carefully pull the flat tire straight off the wheel studs and set it aside. Next, lift the spare tire and align its holes with the wheel studs. Push it firmly onto the hub. Then, hand tighten all the lug nuts back onto the spare tire until they are snug. Now, slowly lower your Audi Q5 until the spare tire just makes contact with the ground, but don't put full weight on it yet. This allows the tire to grip. Use your lug wrench to fully tighten all the lug nuts in a star pattern. Finally, lower the vehicle completely to the ground and remove the jack. Double-check all nuts.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.